Yo, what's going on? It is your boy Miguel, and I'm coming at you with another video. And this one is going to be really special because it's going to go further in depth into something you can actually do starting today to make money, or at the very least start studying and know for a fact that this skill set will make you money. Now, you're probably looking at the title and you're like, yo, I don't understand. What do you mean a pen can make me six figures? But it can. It's a matter of how you're using that tool. We all have different tools in our arsenal. A phone is a tool. This laptop is a tool. A pen is a tool as well. So everyone wants to make money online, and every way that you can do it, I like to call it high income skills. There's various sets of skills that you can use, that you can either use for yourself or implement yourself into someone else's business and immediately start making yourself money, or making that other person money, and then they'll give you a cut in return. If you'll notice something, I took a skill set and I plugged myself into multiple people's businesses in order to get a cut of the profits. And keep in mind that the only way you can do that is if you're doing a good job. If the results are so substantial that it's almost stupid of them to not give you money so that you can be part of their business and help them make money. So, what is this magical skill that you can use to make yourself six figures with just a pen? It is copywriting. Copywriting is the act of selling something through words. Now, instead of speaking, it's the written word, obviously, which is why I say a pen. Although we're not in the dark ages anymore, so we have laptops. I write majority of my copy, all of my copy on a laptop. So maybe I should have said six figures with a keyboard, but that title wouldn't have been as good. Why did I choose to say a pen? Is because it's eye-catching, it's copy. The title that you're seeing on this particular video is copy. Every single one of my titles are examples of headlines. This is part of copy. Where can you see examples of copywriting? You'll see them on sales pages. You'll see them on any sort of online store. You'll see them in email marketing. These are the three main places that you will see copywriting being used, and there is someone being paid a substantial amount of money in order to write that. Not always substantial, but if they're good at it, it's definitely a lot. There's a very famous marketer by the name of Dan Kennedy, who not only gets paid like 20 grand, I think it was, just to write a sales page, but he also makes 10% royalties on whatever product or service that is long after he's done writing the sales page. So not only does he get paid up front just to write this sales page, but they also have to keep paying him for all the money that is bringing in. That is what's so powerful about copywriting. The thing about salesmanship in general is that, yes, if you're good at sales, you're going to make money. What's amazing about copywriting is that not only is it sales, but it's almost like taking yourself and multiplying yourself by infinity, because you're able to sell over and over and over and over again without you even having to be there. This is the exact definition of making money in your sleep. You are duplicating yourself, you're creating a different version of yourself, you're putting it in writing, and you are selling something or a service. So hopefully you're seeing the way that this is connecting, the way that you're able to make money with this. Because if you're able to write someone a sales page or write someone's email and that sales page makes them 100 grand, or this email makes them 20 grand, then you'll see why a business owner will definitely pay you money in order to be their copywriter. You'll see why, if you're able to do this for yourself, if you have an audience and you master the art of copywriting, along with various other things, like copywriting isn't the end all be all, but is definitely a significantly important part of what goes on, because not only does the copy go on the page, but if there's a VSL, which is a video sales letter, the video that goes on the sales page where the person is talking, that is copy as well, because 9 times out of 10, it's scripted out. There are some people who are able to freestyle off the dome, like some rappers or something, but not everybody can do that. So it takes a skilled copywriter to be able to write out a script that is able to sell very well and make sure that money is coming in on a regular basis. Copywriting is powerful. And if you are looking into these high income skills, as I call them, then I would highly suggest you check out copywriting. It's definitely perfect for anyone who's introverted. I'm one of those people. Introverted, doesn't really like selling one-on-one, but definitely understands the principles of sales and persuasion. If you fully understand sales or psychology, or you're studying it and you would like to know more and you're thinking of different ways that you can make a lot of money, you may want to look into copywriting, because it is one of those skills that can definitely do it. And it doesn't even have to be something that you stick to forever. It can be something that maybe you pick it up, you use it to make money, and in the meantime you're collecting checks all while you're trying to figure out something else to do. Honestly, what I'm doing right now, I may find it interesting, but I don't see myself doing this forever. But the payout is great and it's interesting. You meet a lot of cool people, networking with a lot of interesting people. And once again, it pays great. So definitely look into copywriting, and you will see way more videos about copywriting in general, copywriting, sales, persuasion, and other high income skills that you can use to make a lot of money, potentially 6 figures. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. Like, comment anything you would like me to talk about on any other videos. Maybe just say what's up. I don't know. Subscribe definitely, because I'm going to be talking about other ways you can make a shitload of money. And peace out, man. Have a good day.